To do a 2 by 2 digit multiplication problem, you need to do many of the same steps as a 2 by 1 multiplication problem. So for this problem, 25 times 43, I'm going to ignore the 40 to begin with. Now, I'm going to do the normal steps of a 2 by 1 digit. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, what we're going to do is pretend that we add the 4 back in and get rid of the 3. I've gone ahead and added the 4 back in. If you notice though, the 4 is not in the ones place. It's in the tens place, the second spot. So, before we begin our next row of work, we need to automatically add a 0 so that we start in the tens place with our next row of work. Again, we multiply just like we would with a 2 by 1 digit number. We do the 4 times the number in the ones place, 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now we multiply the 4 by the number in the tens place above, which is 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. Now that we've multiplied both digits and we have 2 rows of work, we just need to add those rows of work together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus nothing is 0. And 1 plus nothing is 1. Now I'm going to explain what this work really means. So our original problem, 25 times 43, can be split up into two different problems. First, we can do 25 times 3. 25 times 3 is 75. As you can see, that's our first row of work. Next, we can do 25 times the 4, which is actually a 40. So 25 times 40. 25 times 40 is 1,000. Now that we have both of these answers, we need to add them. 75 plus 1,000 is 1,075. So instead of splitting up your problem into two problems, doing this combines it all into one quick problem.